दोस्तों, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. You are healthy and happy in your life. Today, as the title suggests, it is a very exciting video. I will be sharing spring and summer collection with you all. This is from the brand Dressin. Let me first give you a brief about Dressin brand. I have collaborated with Dressin in the past as well, and their clothing is really nice. I love wearing Dressin clothes in my day-to-day life. I collaborated with them in the winter season, and their winter collection was also very nice. So this is my second collaboration with them, and this time they have sent me their spring summer collection. First of all, talking about the packaging, all the clothes come in these type of Ziploc bags, very convenient and good looking packaging. I have received few pieces from them, but before going into each one of the piece in detail, let me tell you about the cashback reward program they are offering for my subscribers. I will be providing their app link in the description box below. You can download their app using that link, and you can shop from their huge variety of collection they are offering on their app and website. You can shop your favorable collection, favorable styles for spring, summer, winter collection. They have huge variety, and all the clothing pieces are really affordable. When you'll go to the cash reward program, you'll see $8 in your account already there. So even if you shop for say $2, you will be having that cashback reward program intact for you. So I would highly recommend download the Dressin app using the link in the description box. Now let's unbox these clothing pieces. I just can't wait to show you all these amazing spring and summer collection. This time I have ordered a mix of top and bottoms, because in winters I ordered all the sweatshirt and tops. So this time I thought I'll do a mixed kind of styling with these clothing. So let's first start with the dress that I have ordered from Dressin brand. I will be sharing the try on part on the side so that you can get the idea of actual look and feel of each clothing piece. So first I ordered this beautiful dress for myself. It is a cut sleeves dress and has this V-neck pattern. It's a long dress in black and white combination, perfect for summer evening. You can style it whenever you are going out for a summer picnic or just casual evening walk. It's a long dress, and the best part is it comes with a pocket. So you can just keep your phone and your car keys or maybe home keys in your pocket and you're good to go. In the spring season also, you can style it wearing a light denim jacket with it, and it will look just fabulous. And you can, style it as per your choice. You can wear a belt to give this dress a dimension, or just a flowing dress for a easy summer evening. And I just like the quality. The material is really nice. So yeah, this is the one that I picked for myself. Moving on to the next top. In spring and summer season, I like to wear floral prints. They look very lively, and light color clothes look really nice in summer season. So I ordered this top. Again, a cut sleeves top, and it has a beautiful floral pattern going on. I just like the color, the soothing colors it has, and yeah, this is very beautiful. It came out to be a little loose on me, but I don't mind wearing loose clothes, and especially in summer season, it is looking nice. And you can style it with black palazzo or maybe a casual jeans, and it will look nice. Moving on to another top, very springy summer color. I like these vibrant colors as well on me. So this is a top, and the sleeves has this elastic pattern on it, so you can just wear it full sleeves, or you can just roll it up and it will be a 3/4 sleeve kind of, and I just like it. It has a very nice pattern going all over, and very nice and bright color for summer picnics or going out. I just like it. See, and the material of the cloth is also nice, so you can also give it a try. Now moving on to the bottoms, because last time I did not get any bottoms, so this time I thought I will do a mix of both. So I ordered 2 bottoms for myself. I like to wear loose bottoms in summer season, so I ordered mostly palazzo kind of bottoms this time. First, in my favorite black color, This is a very beautiful palazzo with random pattern going all over it. The quality of all the clothes are really nice, I would say. The price point is good, the quality is nice, so you can definitely give it a try. And this palazzo comes with a pocket, which I think is plus point, because we moms always need pockets to keep those small things that we carry with us whenever we go out. So pocket is a plus. So it has pocket on both sides, and you can style it with like casual black t-shirt or white t-shirt or any color t-shirt, I would say would look nice with this palazzo. And it has elastic. So all the clothes that I've ordered is in medium size, because I wear usually medium in all the brands that I shop for. So some clothes I found in medium are a little loose to me, but as I said, I don't mind wearing loose clothes in summers. Moving on to the second palazzo. This is again a very beautiful random pattern palazzo. It has this beige and black color pattern going on all over. They are a little long on me. I am 5'3", but I would say wearing them with heels would look good. So yeah, this is a very nice palazzo. Again, it has pocket on both sides, so I really like it. So dosto, that's all from the Dressen haul this time. I ordered 5 clothing pieces from them, and I would say the quality, the material is really nice. The price point is good. All the clothing pieces are very much affordable. Do let me know in the comments which clothing piece you like the best. I would highly recommend you download their app using the link in the description box, and whenever you go for shopping, there's a cashback reward of $8 that you will get through the link. So you can definitely browse their app and select something for yourself for the coming spring and summers. Clothes are something we all girls love to have in our wardrobe, right? And for all the seasons, we like to shop something new, something fresh to wear. So yeah, I'm very happy having all these clothing pieces. So I hope you like this video. See you soon with the next one. Take care. Bye.